Welcome to CraftiSVG. This is Vanessa, and today we're going to set up the Christmas gingerbread house gift box in our Cricut software. So first we're going to move the project to our canvas, and then we're going to resize the project to the required dimensions as stated in the text. So we've got 29.674, enter, and then we're going to ungroup and delete the text. We then need to select the project, ungroup again, and that gives us 4 layers. So we're going to work layer by layer. So the first part is the first side of the house. We're going to ungroup, select the score lines, and change from basic cut to score. We're then going to select both layers again and attach. Repeat for the bottom part of the house. We're going to ungroup, select the lines, change from basic cut to score, select both layers, attach. And the other change that we need to make is to the rooftop panels. We need to ungroup this part here. We're going to ungroup and we're going to ungroup one more time. That's going to give us 4 pieces here. So this top piece is the line that the handles go through once the box is assembled. These 2 lines here are the score lines on either side, so we need to select just those and change from basic cut to score. We would then want to select that shape again and also the box in the middle and select attach. We can reselect those, attach, and then we can select make. You'll see that you've got all the roof panel pieces here, all your snowy accents there. On the second mat, you've got one side of your gingerbread house, and on the third, you have your other gingerbread house piece. You'll see at the top here, you've got some little guides on where to attach your snowy roof pieces. And then on this piece here, I would recommend using something like blue tack or adhering only one side to the box so that when you have the box assembled, this little part either lifts off entirely easily or is the handle slides out on one side to open. I hope this helps and you enjoy your crafty project. Give me a shout on Etsy or in the comments below if you need any assistance. Thank you. Have a good day.